Here it is, capitalism at its best. It looks like these birds are eating a napkin. Oh, and look at the little one. The little one wants some different type of birds. Oh, look at that. It's a birthday napkin. Oh, there's the only one left, eating the napkin. Oh, look at the little guy. He wants some of the napkin too. This is a dog eat dog, bird eat bird. Something must be there because that guy's eating something. Look at him fighting. Oh my goodness, this is New York City at its best. Eating garbage. I don't know how they're eating the napkin. Put comments below. What are they eating? Oh, look at, they're going to be squabbles. That little one is taking some. Oh, what type of bird is it? Put in the comments. Look at him clean that up. Must be something he's doing. What is it that he's eating? Guess we'll have to go over there and see. Oh, he's eating your lunch. The little guy's eating your lunch. Oh, there he goes. Knock that guy out of there. Oh, there he goes. That's capitalism at its best. Oh, there he goes. Snipping right at his face. Oh, there he had his fill. Now the little guys come. Oh, here's a bigger little guy. Must be ice cream or something over there. Oh, here come all the little guys. I think these are eastern sparrows. Enjoy, little guys. I know you guys are more aggressive, but I guess those blue birds or blue jay, whatever they were, are even more aggressive. Oh, that guy's getting really angry. He wants his, oh, there. Oh, he must be the boss. He's, yeah, now the little guy, he's persistent. He's eating something. Must be sugary because they love it. Oh, one of the big guys came back. Oh, there's gonna be a standoff here. Watch the dance that they do. I'm not gonna even go over there and look. Peace out.